Here we go. Welcome back to Fun Day with Dudley D. Right here. Dudley D. Right. Welcome to my channel, Building for Generations. Happy Halloween, people. Happy Halloween. Today is October the 31st. What are you doing with your life to go forward, to move yourself, to put yourself in a better position, right? This is our Sunday Fun Day where we come to you live every Sunday at 8 p.m. Even on holidays, even on Halloween, happy holidays to everybody out there. I am got they call it a Stetson hat. Get it on. But today is October the 31st, 2021. Time is flying. What are you doing to make your dreams reality today? Being too cautious is the greatest risk of all. Make your dreams reality now. Time is the number one currency. Use it now. Without commitment, you will never start. More importantly, without consistency, you will never finish. Do more in this life. So our new focus for today, for our Sunday Fun Day, is going to be super duper simple today. So I'm going to be talking to one of my clients the other day, just emailing back and forth, and she was just, and she's not the first. She's not the first. We've helped multiple people with this situation. She's not the first. She was just really, had anxiety about the SBA and the EIDL grant money and the misuse of funds, the misappropriation of funds, the misuse of funds. Right? People are getting worried because people have committed fraud and went out and got these PPP loans and all this junk and had a freaking agricultural freaking business in a freaking building downtown Chicago, right? That's the craziest thing that I've heard so far. But you have all these crazy stories, and I get a lot of people that come to our accounting firm looking for QuickBooks cleanups and financial statement drafting and a lot of advisory, like literally, like, what do I do now that I accepted this money and I've some people have paid rent with this money? What do I do now? So we kind of get we dive deep into really just kind of like the core of like what it all is, right? So get on a consultation with us. Here is our website here, Dudley Accounting Services. You can book a free consultation. It's 10 to 15 minutes, so you can book it with us, and we'll just take 10 to 15 minutes to figure out good understanding of your situation and see if we can actually apply value. So in this life, that's what I'm about, really. And I'm not stealing anything from like one of my like valuable mentors. It's just liberating the human spirit, and really helping people feel free and be free in this life and in business, right? So my number one job is to use my knowledge and skills to keep you guys, away more so from the IRS, police, and the SBA, goons out there who, and again, like people are worried about really small amounts of mistakes. And like I told my client before, like you make mistakes in business, but it's important, that you learn good habits in the process and you retain good habits. You learn from your mistakes. That's the most important thing in business. So you don't want to keep, commingling funds, right? If you have, a business and you got a personal account, you got to keep two separate accounts, keep your business separate from your personal transactions. That's just a rule of thumb. A little freebie I'll give you guys there. But yeah, definitely get on our website at dudleyaccountingservices.com. But yeah, I wanted to bring that to you guys this Halloween. I know you guys are probably getting in, eating all that. I ate so much candy. Oh my God, I'm still not done going through all the candy, still in my son's candy. But definitely get on our calendar. We also have tax season coming up for those mid to small business owners out there who are looking for some tax planning. If you got a lot of income and a lot of tax liability, you guys are looking at, definitely get on our calendar. So we're doing a free promo for our new accounts. So if you get on our calendar and sign up, an account, we pretty much have a client portal for you, and we set up a client portal for you. You check your email, and it'll say "be an account." You'll set it up there, and it'll just walk you through how to set up your portal. Then we have a quick, discovery call. It's not required that you do the discovery call, but it's going to be, emailing back and forth, if we need to communicate. But we typically do a discovery call to see what's going on, and see how we can build our relationship. But click here for the new account setup, and again, it's free. We're doing like free on W-2s this year, for people who have free W-2s, and people who have tax filings, who need tax filings, who have W-2 jobs and stuff like that. And mainly this year is just more so open up and build a relationship with you, you guys, and really help you guys build your businesses and help you sustain your businesses, right, and keep you guys out of trouble. All right, I'm gonna sign off here. You guys enjoy the rest of your Halloween, and I'll see you next Sunday. Peace. I'm gonna go to 7 minutes on that. There you go. 7.